Yes, guys, so if you are getting to the other end of the bed, you could see that the grasses are shorter than in front here. If you could remember, the time here was overcrowded and then people stepped on the grasses. That is when we recorded, that is when we faced that problem. So if you notice, you could see that the grasses in front here are much higher or taller than those ones at the back. Let's get closer. These ones, yes, they are a bit shorter. If you compare it to the other ones over there. Okay, so this is the Brachiaria grass at the 8th week of germination. It's grown so tall. Yes, the roots and the stems are bigger now and widely spread. All right, so these are the new seed beds. So in the first seed bed, yes, all right, another one here. Another one too here. Now in the first seed bed, we recorded few of the seed germinated. Very few germinated. Yes. And here is the second seed bed. Yes, let's look at it. Yes. Yes. Yes, and this is the third seed bed. Guys, if you are enjoying this video and you would like to see how we would transplant and harvest the Brachiaria grass and also enjoy other farming content and gardening ideas, then click on the like button and subscribe to the channel to be notified whenever I upload a video. And also, if you have any questions or contributions, kindly write in the comment section down below. Please keep on enjoying the video. And also, what we realize over here is that what you realize in the new seed bed is that the roots are up. I mean, the roots are not deep in the soil. See, if you look at this, you see the roots. You can see the roots over here too. You see that the roots are outside. So due to that, you could see that it lies on the floor. Some of the Brachiaria grass, when you water, then it immediately lies on the floor. Yes. Or so unless, like for instance, like this one, you see, this is a Brachiaria grass. The roots are not deep in the soil, so see, so I have to And that is what I did to all of them, to these ones also. Yes, and that's one. They are growing so nice. Yes. This has grown so tall. Yes. Alright guys, if you could remember, we also nest some of the Brachiaria seeds in between the furrows. For those ones, the germination was not good. I mean, the growth, it did not grow well, unfortunately. Maybe due to lack of nutrients in the soil, maybe. So we plan that after we transplant these ones, the large ones, then we put manure in the soil and we see how the germination will be. But unfortunately, it did not grow very well. Let me show you some of the examples. Now, yes. So this is around fifth week, and see how the growth is. Yes, all of them. Even some are smaller than, see, these ones. This has grown a bit higher. Yes, this has grown a bit higher. Hello there guys, welcome to Ilyasu Farms. Welcome to a brand new video. I hope all of you are doing well today. Today marks the 8th week of the germination of the Brachiaria grass after the nursery. We could all see how taller the Brachiaria grass have grown. As I mentioned earlier in the previous videos, the transplant is done from the 6th to 8th week after the nursery, and I decided to transplant my own at the 8th week. So now I am making provisions for the transplant, and I will let you know about that. But before we take a closer look at the Brachiaria grass, I will be doing the watering. So please stay tuned to the end. you can see a butterfly. All right guys, I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel, hit on the notification bell, and write in the comment section below. Okay, any question you have, you can ask in the comment section and I will get back to you. Okay, until then, see you